So this is me streaming right now on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 wirelessly with no wires. This is my charger. It's not hooked up to my camera at all. I can get up and move and I'll still be on stream. And by the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to do the same thing in less than 5 minutes. Make sure you like and subscribe. Without further ado, what's up? It's your boy Peter Iwuh back with another YouTube video. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to stream live from Twitch with your DJI Pocket Osmo 3 without any wires, without any setup, without any hardware technicality experience. Now, I don't know if it's just me. I'm assuming you're watching this video because you are probably just like me, scrolling through your phone trying to figure out, can I stream with this Osmo? Can I stream with this Osmo? And it was all these videos popping up and people wasn't talking about online. And it was like, people was talking about stuff, but they was talking about how to do it with your wire, which I think everybody kind of knows. But I was trying to figure out, can I take this Osmo and stream wirelessly? Because when there's a way, there's a way. And for you watching this video, you're lucky because by the time you finish watching this video, you're gonna learn how to stream from your Osmo on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. And we're also gonna go into OBS for those who like to get into the stationary setup or reaction videos and wanna know how to utilize your Osmo for that. You could also use your Osmo for that as well to make sure you still have that high production quality visual, even though you're just starting Twitch. And for me, I've noticed it bringing in new viewers, and it's also been have people, just random people come in and they're like, W production, W camera, what camera is this? And they don't know it's a DJI Pocket Osmo 3. And before we start, y'all already know this is a journey that I really need y'all help on getting to 2K subscribers, so y'all can like, subscribe, and share the video. I really appreciate it. Now, I think I've been chatting a little bit. Let's get into the demonstration, all right? Okay, so there's a few things you need to get set up with your DJI Osmo onto your Twitch for live streaming in real life wirelessly. The first thing you're gonna need is a Twitch account. The second thing you're gonna need is the DJI Pocket Osmo 3 that is functioning. And the most important thing that's gonna play a role in this is your DJI Osmo app, okay? So now we're in the DJI Mimo app here. It's the app that everybody has who has an Osmo. You should have it already. So if you don't have the app, this is the app right here that I will go to the app store immediately. If you just got your Osmo or maybe you have the wrong app and need to get the right app, this is the app we're gonna be using. So we're gonna go ahead and go into this app. We're gonna connect to our camera. So once your camera is connected, you're going to press the center button that shows you to replay, something like this, where you're seeing yourself on your phone. You should still see camera, portrait, and some of those other options. What you're gonna do is you're gonna slide over a little bit to your right where you see live stream, and then you're gonna click live stream. And then once you click live stream, you're going to see Facebook, YouTube, and then RTMP. So you're going to click on RTMP, and then you're going to connect your Wi-Fi. If you're in the house, you're going to use your internet in your home. If you're looking to do this while you're outside the house, you would put the hotspot on your phone. If you want to stream outside of your house with your Osmo wirelessly, you can still do so, but you're going to make sure you have a pretty strong Wi-Fi on your phone. I've had some good experiences with it, but I'm still planning on buying a portable Wi-Fi router just to make sure that my experience is A1 and is not lagging, because sometimes, because my camera is using my hotspot, my phone's data is actually slow. Maybe it's just a Metro MPS thing or whatever this thing is called. But anyways, yeah, so once you have your internet connected, the most important part here is where it says enter RTMP URL. What you're going to do, and the screenshot should be up here, or the screen recording should be up here as you're watching this video, is put exactly how you see it on my screen. So it's going to be RTMP dot at the top, dot at the bottom, / live.twitch.tv/app / So the next thing you're going to need is your stream key. So let's go into the laptop, into Twitch, and then show you how to get your stream key. So if you are looking at something similar to this that looks like the user side of Twitch where people come and find streams to watch, of Twitch we're looking to be at is the creator dashboard. So you're going to find your profile in the top right, and then press creator dashboard. And time out, by the way, as y'all can see, I only have 14 followers on Twitch at the time of this recording. I would really appreciate if y'all can give me a follow. That's all I ask for this information I'm giving away. I am not selling you a course. There's no digital product at the end of this. All I ask is y'all just follow the boy's Twitch. Let me know when you give me that follow on Twitch in the comments. I'd really appreciate that. And make sure you tune into your boy's streams. It'll be a vibe. But anyways, once you're in the creator dashboard, you're going to be looking to your far left, and you're going to be looking for settings. And then under settings, you're going to click stream. You're going to see where it says primary stream key. You're going to copy this stream key. Then you're going to paste it right after the slash on your DJI Osmo app where it says enter RTMP. Now, what you should have after doing this is your RTMP / live.twitch.tv/app/your stream key. And then all you're gonna do is make sure your Wi-Fi is hooked up, your stream key is hooked up with that link, your resolution, everything that is pre-saved so far. I don't think I really changed anything. And then you're gonna hit start streaming. Just start saying like live stream started or something like that, and you would see like 0, 1, 2, 3. It'll show you how long you're streaming. And you could also check your Twitch to make sure that you're live on Twitch as well. Again, all I ask is for a like, a subscribe, and a follow on Twitch. I would really appreciate it. And again, let me know in the comments if you come through on that. But the video is not done. There's still more information to give. Now let's talk about if you want to do reaction videos or Zoom videos or anything to that nature and you want to utilize your Osmo. Now, for this process, you are going to need that wire that comes with it. I'm looking for mine right now, but that wire that comes with it is all that's needed. I'm pretty sure it's 15 bucks. I'm going to go and get mine and be right back so we can get into the demonstration. Hey, what's up? I hope you're getting value, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your boy is really trying to get to 2K subscribers on YouTube, but I wanted to pause this video to let you know that you qualify for my Digital Wealth Academy, which essentially is all-in-one stop-shop marketing course that teaches you everything you need to know to make money from your everyday apps like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and we give you digital products that you can go to the market and sell right now with no experience, no degree. This is 100% beginner friendly, and you get 2 free calls with me directly, the same person you're watching. You're not going to be talking to a virtual assistant or a third party. So I hope you can take advantage of this opportunity because it's really limited, and we'll be closing these slots soon. With that being said, let's get back to the video. I have my wire. I hope you have your wire handy if you're walking through this with me. I hope that you are. I am one who is big on just learning it while I'm doing it. Don't wait till the next video and the next video. Just make sure you're walking through everything and let me know any issues you have in the comments. So before you plug this up, you want to make sure you have your OBS up. I don't know what OBS stands for. Again, I'm not a big streamer. I just know that OBS is what you can use if you want to like share screen, or when you see people have like their name at the bottom of the screen, like OBS is what they're using to put all of that stuff on the screen. And that's pretty much all I know, okay? Let me know if I should make a video on OBS for the fellow beginners who at least just need to know the basics to get things off the ground, all right? So now that I have my wires, I'm going to plug in my Osmo to my MacBook. Now, when your Osmo and MacBook connect to each other, you're gonna get a quick pop-up on your Osmo that says file transfer or webcam. You're gonna press webcam. File transfer is what you press when you wanna take files off your Osmo or put it onto a hard drive or put it onto a Google Drive. Webcam is what you wanna use it for this case I would want to be using it for. So now that this is my webcam for my computer, I'm gonna join here on my computer now. Okay, so now that you have your Osmo hooked up to your computer, what you're gonna do when you have OBS open is come here where you see sources and then hit this plus button. Then you're gonna hit video capture, but just to kind of talk about some of the capabilities here, you could add text to the screen, you could add images. So as you can see here where I have like my social media stuff here at the bottom in blue, that's what people use. You could also add window share, which is where you share screen. So that's where people that do reaction videos or want to just share what they're looking at with the stream are utilizing on Twitch. But in this case, we're gonna be utilizing video capture. So you're gonna come here, press that, and then you're gonna press create new. And then your Osmo Pocket 3 should pop up, and then you should be able to see yourself here, and you're able to stretch out the video and kind of just play around with the sizing. If you have a picture like me and kind of want your video to be above, you would play around with it like this. You can play around with the sizing, get very creative here. This is the photo. If you want to move around the photo, you can do so, but I like mine's right at the bottom. And then just to kind of show you what the window capture thing looks like, you would just press add a new window capture, and then it's going to ask you what tab you want to show. So I could just show you guys an example of something like this is what this will look like. And then you would just play around with the sizing, maybe make this bigger, make your video smaller. You get the gist. So that's kind of how OBS works. This is how a lot of the streamers do it. As you can see, this is me playing around with it now that my video's in the back. I do have a little experience with Canva, so it is similar. Louis, please, not right now. Louis, not right now. We're recording a video. But right here, I would just tap the thing that's at the back and then find order and then just move up. Now you can move your video on top of whatever other elements you have. You know, again, stretch this out. And I made a video on Loom. Loom is what I use to do screen recordings. So make sure y'all check out that video on that. But yeah, that's how you use OBS. And this is the wired version of utilizing your Osmo to stream. So now that you have everything set up, when you do want to go live, all you have to do is press start streaming and then it will go live on the account associated with the stream key. And if you need to know how to connect your Twitch, all you would do is come to settings, and then you're going to come to stream, and then you could connect to Twitch, YouTube, and then if you press show all, it actually can stream on hella other platforms. I think I've seen OnlyFans on here, Live Push, Twitch. Is TikTok on here? No, TikTok is not on here, but YouTube. Some of you all who be streaming probably know a lot of these other platforms more than I do. But I think this is really dope. You can connect the account that you're looking to stream on. And then go live by just putting start stream and then obviously stop stream. And then you could also just do screen recordings with this by pressing start recording and then stop recording. And then you can kind of do that like share screen thing that essentially Loom does for me at least. But just say I know some of the capabilities I've been learning. But for y'all who do utilize this platform more than I do, let me know in the chat some things to like put in my settings or something like that. Like I said, I'm a newbie, but I could always take some new game. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wait. You can record while you're on live? Let's get the fuck. Timeout, chat. Oh, this is next level. Chat. So, and I just found out that you could actually record a video while you're on live, literally by just pressing the record button, and you'll be recording while you're still on live. And I'm on Twitch as I'm figuring this out, so check this out. Literally by just pressing the record button, and you'll be recording while you're still on live. And I'm on Twitch as I'm figuring this out, so check this out. Literally. All right, so that's a new incoming update. I actually did not know that while I plan to record this video. So I would consider y'all lucky, and I'll run with that because now you can record while you're on live. That's different. Osmo is stepping this shit up, okay? So if that was helpful, please do not hesitate to give me a like and subscribe and a follow on Twitch. Again, I would really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you're showing love to the boy, and make sure that y'all let me know in the comments what other videos, comments, questions, concerns y'all have, and I'll try and get to them on the next one. Peace.